Hello and welcome to Gyansila. So today in this video we'll discuss some important kids special GK quiz which will be very helpful for your children as well as our student. So I hope tomorrow video to enjoy koriba aru video update chamuk pai thakibole amar channel to jodi subscribe nai kora subscribe kori thoba. So let's start and the first question for today's class. Who was the first president of India? Bharator prothom goraki rashtrapati kon asile? तो तेखेत आसिले कोन राजेंद्र प्रसाद. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन আছে when we celebrate our independence day আমি আমাৰ স্বাধীনতা দিৱস কিমান তাৰিখে পালন কৰো তো আমাৰ স্বাধীনতা দিৱস আমি পালন কৰো 15 আগষ্ট তাৰিখত আমি পালন কৰো ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্স ডে. ওকে নেক্সট क्वेश्चन নম্বৰ 3 when India got independence ভাৰত কেতিয়া স্বাধীন হৈছিল তো ভাৰত স্বাধীন হোৱা চনটো আছিল 15 আগষ্ট 1947 Amar Bharat Sadhin hoisile. Next important question on which date we celebrate our Republic Day. Kiman tarikhe ami Ganatantra Dibosh palan koru. To ami Ganatantra Dibosh palan koru Republic Day 26th of January. Ami palan koru ki Republic Day. Okay. Next question number 5. What is the national flower of India? Bharator Rashtriyo Phul bit ki hoy? To heya hoise amar lotus. Podum phul. Next question. Question number 6. What is the national animal of India? Bharator Rashtriyo jontu kuntu hoy? To yate sobit dekha paise tumalake amar national animal hoy tiger. Okay? National animal. Next question number 7. What is the national bird of India? Bharator Rashtriyo Sorai ki hoy? To ki hoy amar national bird ki hoy? Bahut important janibologia hoy ebilak protijon Hihu naiba protijon student janibologia hoy to national bird hoy peacock. Next question, what is the national tree of India? Bharator Rashtriyo gos ki hoy? National tree of India. And the answer is banyan tree. Eya hoise amar Rashtriyo gos. Next question, what is the national fruit of India? Bharator Rashtriyo pholbit ki hoy? So you can see in the picture national fruit hoy mango. Next question, what is the national anthem of India? Bharator Rashtriyo Songit kuntu hoy? National anthem. The answer is Jana Gana Mana. Amar national anthem hoy. Okay. Next question. Who wrote the national anthem of India? Bharator Rashtriyo Songit tu kune likhisile? To etu likhisile kune? Amar Rabindranath Tagore likhisile national anthem of India. That means Jana Gana Mana. Next question. Question number 12. What is the national song of India? Bharator Rashtriyo Git kuntu hoy? To national anthem or national song beleg beleg hoy. To national song amar ki hoy? Etu monot rakhiba. To etu hoise Bande Mataram. Okay? Next question. Who wrote the national song of India? To ebar ami janim je Bharator Rashtriyo Git tu kune rachna korisile? To eitu likhisile Bande Mataram likhisile kune? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Tekhete likhisile national song India amar. Next, who was the first Prime Minister of India? Bharator prothom goraki Pradhan Mantri kon asile? Prothom Pradhan Mantri asile amar kon Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question number 15. Who was the first female Prime Minister of India? Bharator prothom Mohila Pradhan Mantri kon asile? First female Prime Minister. Tekhet asile amar Indira Gandhi. Next question. Who was the first female President of India? Bharator prothom Mohila Rashtrapati kon asile? First female President of India asile kon? Pratibha Patil. Okay. Next question. Who is known as Father of the Nation? Jatir Pita boli ami kak ko? Kak ko ami? Tekhet hoise amar Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, next question. When we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? Gandhi Jayanti Dibosh ami kiman tarikhe palan koru? Tekhetor hidina ki hoy jonmo barki ki hoy? Aru hei tarikh tu hoise kiman? Hei tarikh tu hoise October 2 tarikh. 2 October ami palan koru ki Gandhi Jayanti. Next question. Question number 19. There are how many colors in a rainbow? Ramdhenut kimanta rong thake? To Ramdhenu jekhon amar ase hekhonot rong thake kimanta 7ta. There are 7 colors in a rainbow. Okay, next question. How many states are there in India at present? বৰ্তমান ভাৰতৰ ৰাজ্য সংখ্যা কিমান? ৰাজ্য কিমানখন আছে? আৰু ইয়াতে কাৰেক্ট এনসাৰটো হ'ব কি? বৰ্তমান আমাৰ ৰাজ্যৰ সংখ্যা হৈছে 28. There are 28 states in India as of now. Okay? So this is it. এইখিনি আজিৰ কাৰণে কুৱেশ্যন হয় 20টা স্পেচিয়েল কিডছ জিকে. I hope তোমালোকে ভিডিওটো এনজয় কৰিছা. Thank you for watching. And if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further updates of our video. Thank you so much.